What if you could upgrade your DC motor to an AC motor, reduce your maintenance costs, and improve your overall equipment performance? Hello, I'm Todd Houston, Global Segment Manager for ABB's NEMA Motors. We're a team of marketers, designers, manufacturers, and service providers of industrial electric motors. And we believe that customer value comes from providing exceptional quality and service while minimizing your cost and time. Now, before I explain what the product is, first let me explain why you're going to want it. DC motors have traditionally been used in high-torque processing applications such as paper machines and winders, rubber and plastic extruders, cranes and hoists, dynamometers, metal processing, and traction, to name a few. DC motors are not cheap, though. They cost more upfront and require a considerable amount of maintenance. Historically, DC motors were your only option. Today, however, much of this is being converted to AC motors due to technology improvements that have led to high performance, ease of maintenance, and lower total cost of ownership. Sound good? Well, yes. But retrofitting a DC motor can be difficult. Designing a new product to perform efficiently and effectively while adhering to space constraints can also be challenging. I would like to introduce you to the new Generation 3 Baldor-Reliance RPM AC motor. RPM AC is a high-performance, variable-speed AC motor designed specifically to replace DC motors. And it's power-dense, so it fits in spaces standard NEMA AC motors just cannot. Like all DC motors, RPM AC will run with a drive, provide constant torque to zero speed, can handle a wide constant horsepower speed range, has dynamic response, and high-speed capabilities. RPM AC is a product offering that is truly unique, differentiated in the marketplace for its power density, high performance, and problem-solving abilities. Certain features that improve variable speed performance are now included as standard, such as shaft grounding, insulated bearings, and QR codes on the nameplate that provide drive configuration data, making startup easier. RPM AC motors are offered in both induction and permanent magnet rotor designs. The permanent magnet rotor can further reduce the size of your machine to fit in the tightest spaces, or can provide ultra-premium efficient IE5 technology that will save you significant costs in your energy bills. The ABB Smart Sensor is easily mounted to these motors to wirelessly and economically monitor the health and performance of not only the motor, but the entire drivetrain. Ready to make the switch? With RPM AC, we make the selection process easy through a web-based configurator that is extremely user-friendly. Pertinent information such as sizing, dimensional drawings, nameplate information, and performance data is available with just a few clicks. And remember, all of our RPM AC motors are designed and built in our Gainesville, Georgia plant, and over 90% of all Baldor-Reliance motors comply with the recent Buy American Act, so they're available now for fast delivery. For nearly 40 years, we've been perfecting RPM AC product line to outperform and outshine traditional DC motors, and even standard AC motors. So show us your toughest processing applications that still utilize a DC motor or where a standard AC motor simply won't do, and we'll convert it to RPM AC. Experience the performance gains with lower maintenance costs, lower energy bills, and lower total cost of ownership. Thank you for your time, and please visit baldor.abb.com to learn more.